Hi everyone, today's video will be in English because I want this to be accessible. Excuse me for my accent. So I'm going to show you how to extract/decompile the Yandere simulator source code. So first things first, we have to download the free demo. So I'm going to Google Yandere simulator. There's the download page. Use the WordPress blog. Now I didn't try Yandere simulator, but I'm pretty sure Mediafire will be faster, so I just go on Mediafire and download the file. It's 2.8, yeah, it's 2.8 gigabytes, so it's going to take a while. So the video will resume after. Alright, now that we have Yandere simulator, we can extract this folder. Extract here. It's going to take some time, so we can download ILSpy. What is doing that? ILSpy. If you're on Windows, you wanna download IC sharp code /ILSpy, but I'm on Linux, so I wanna use something else. It's Avelonia based.NET decompiler something ILSpy. I'm going to use this. I'm going in the release tab. Linux, I'm taking the x64 binary. Extract here. This file. Yeah, it's this file. Go here. I'm going to rename this ILSpy to not get confused. So the DLL we have to decompile is inside Yandere simulated data here, managed, and it's assembly-c#.dll. We can use some tools like, I can close this. We can use some tools like monodisassemble, and we give it the DLL file, .dll, and it can extract the CIL code inside, but we want C# code, so that's why we downloaded ILSpy. Now, if you're on Windows, you're going to double click on the ilspy.exe file, but I'm on Linux, so I'm going to do that instead. ILSpy. Now I had already tried that previously, so I'm just going to clear, reset, yes. So ILSpy is going to look like this. You do file open, and you're going for Yandere simulator, simulated data, managed, and you take assembly C#.dll. Okay, now it's opening. So you, on the left pane, you open assembly C#, and this namespace that looks like a dash, that's what you want to extract, because most of his code is right here. So on assembly C#, right click, load dependencies, this thing, right click, save code, and I forgot something, maybe I have to reload, or I don't know. Reload, open this, load dependencies, right, save code. Now it's giving me C# project at the bottom. So I come here, I'm going to make a folder for this. New folder, project. I'm going to call this assembly-c#, and I will add .csproj. I click OK. Now you can see it's extracting all the files in this folder. It's going to take a while, maybe a minute or two. Alright, now it's done. So we can use a code editor like Visual Studio Code and open this directory. Yes, I chose the other. Close that. And now you can start to browse the code. So just for fun, we can find some switch statements. What's this? Sanity types. Oof. Some yummy else if trees. There's a lot of switches. Oh gosh. This is... Well, now you know how to extract the code.